Welcome to alembicvidya.com. This is the Learner Manual. This manual will help learners in understanding the different areas and features of the instance so that the same can move around adequately and find ways into the right places. Let's begin. When you log in with your credentials, you will be redirected to your dashboard. The dashboard consists of the following elements: the user drop-down menu, which takes you to the alerts, the message box, the profile page, and the logout option. The header menu items, which takes you to your dashboard, the record of learning details, the performance report tab, and the find learning or course catalog. If you scroll down a bit, you will find a left side panel, which shows some of the informational blocks showing information about the last course accessed, the latest badges earned, messages, and the news and latest announcements. This is your dashboard's central panel. This contains the information about your current learning topics and also a learner orientation guide. Let's explore the user drop-down menu in bit detail. This menu consists of the following links. The My Profile link will take you to your profile page. Alerts will take you to the list of all the alerts and notifications. Messages will take you to your message box, wherein you can either search for your contacts and add the same to your contact list, or you can directly interact with your peers and other people on the instance. The header menu items. The dashboard will bring you to this screen, which is your dashboard. The Record of Learning tab will take you to the detailed report of all assigned learnings. The Performance tab will take you to the My Course Completion report. This report enlists the completion status and date related to the courses you are enrolled in. The Find Learning tab will take you to the course catalog page. Let's go through the details on the dashboard left side panel. The first block, the last course access block, shows the course that the user last accessed. It also shows the progress and the last access date or time of the same. Latest badges. This block shows that the badges user has earned. These badges can be related to learning, which is automatically assigned as per the criteria, or related to job performance manually given by the manager. The messages block shows the recent messages that the user has received. There is also a link at the bottom of the box, which takes the user directly to the message box. The news and announcement block shows all the site announcements related to company, services, learning, and other activities. Let's come to the dashboard central panel, which includes the list of courses in which the user is enrolled in and also shows their progress. Let's dive deeper into the profile page. This page shows the user information, which include user details, which are basic profile information and the profile edit option, job assignments, which could be either your position, your department in the organization, or your reporting manager, your learning, which shows your entire record of learning, the course detail block, which shows enrolled in courses and links to the same. On the other hand, you have miscellaneous block, which shows the subscribed or accessible forum posts or subscribed or accessible forum discussions. The reports block, which shows two kinds of reports. The first one shows the details on completion criteria of enrolled in courses, and the second shows details on login, last access, and IP addresses. The administration blocks allows you to set your preferences. This option helps the user to configure his or her profile, password, language, subscribed forums, text editor, messaging system, and badges. The Manage Private Files option allows the user to set up an area which can be used for uploading and managing a set of files that will remain private to this user. The Login Activity block. This shows the first access and last access date on the site. Let's further explore the Find Learning or the Course Catalog tab. This page lists the courses, displays their start date and content type present, along with a search bar. There are filters available that can be used to filter the course by activity types, tags, and module types. For example, there is this course called Grooming Male, which starts on 28 December 2017 and has the following content types: a certificate, a feedback, a label, a file, and a SCORM package. Now let's go and understand what a course page looks like. I can either select a course from this list or go back to my dashboard and start with the course. The course page is inclusive of following elements. The left side panel consists of the informational blocks. The upcoming events block displays events from the calendar in a list form. If you click on the date of the event, you will be redirected to the Day View Calendar page. If the title of the event is a link and you click on it, you will be taken to that event details page. The course completion status shows what needs to be done to complete the course. The More Details link will redirect to your more detailed report. Latest Badges allows you to see which badges have been earned by the user. These badges can be related to learning, which is automatically assigned as per the criteria or job performance manually given by the manager. The administration block. This block shows the grade earned in all assessments done. Now, let's focus on the content panel. This is where the learning happens. It enlists the learning assets, each with its own completion criteria. Following are the key learning assets that you will be accessing. SCORM. This will be an interactive content package with some embedded assessment. Quiz. This activity consists of multiple questions which will help trainers to assess your understanding and learning so far. Feedback. Feedback. The activity consists of feedback questions. Answering these will help us in refining the content and administration workflows. And this will be the certificate. On completion of the learning, primarily dependent on the completion of the SCORM or scoring the threshold grade on the quiz, you will be awarded with a certificate. That is all.